The Reach carbon fiber gutter pulls from Cen-Tec systems are the perfect solution for outdoor commercial cleaners. Incredibly lightweight and easy to adjust to any height simply by adding or removing extension poles. Paired with one of our high-performance Elsea vacuums, maneuvering around residential homes or apartment complexes isn't an issue. The shape of the nozzle even allows it to clean a downspout intake without using a ladder. The Reach carbon fiber gutter pulls from Cen-Tec systems.